Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my friends and to Miss Afiza. Today we are recording group discussion with video 5. Title of the song Stand in the Light by Jordan Smith. And my name is Muhammad Anafi bin Anwar. Metric number J46044 and my partner.
Hello, my dear friends and Miss Afiza. My name is James McAllister. My metric number is J46105. For today recording, our title of the song is "Stand in the Light" by Jordan Smith. Okay, from the lyrics, we see that it's more towards on the issue of bullying. Bullying is the use of force, threat, or aggressively dominate others. Okay, bullying, for your knowledge, for your reference, is divided to basics type of abuse. For example, verbal. Like body shaming, say someone fat or others. Then the physical is normally you hurt someone, then by someone's body, by sometimes you hitting or fighting. Then the next is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is sometimes the use of technology to harass people, or to do, for example, body shaming, type the wrong text or get people sad sometimes, like the using of Facebook that current occurs in our societies nowadays. Okay, from the lyrics stands in the right and be seen as we are. From that statement of lyrics, it shows that he wants people who suffer from bullying, such as verbal or what I said before is body shaming, to show who they are and not to shy of their appearances. Okay, he also wants people that who been victim of the cyberbullying, for example, or body shaming, to be proud of themselves, although they are not fit or good looking, but they have their own talent and specialties sometimes. Because, for example, like fat people,
Yeah.
he also good in athletic. For example, he can join for example weightlifting, like that. That's why it's not because of their body also, but because of their specialties. For your opinion, what is your opinion about bully?
Yeah. Thank you, my friend. And my opinion, this case have two character: mental bully and physical bully. And the mental bully is about condemn and mock to someone. Example,
You say someone that people is someone, you say that person is fat, like that, right?
yes,
Fat or black or whatever lah.
yes. And to tell to someone to every day, and can this can be effect someone to the depression and not have the mood. And the next point, the physical bully is hit the beat and can the causes
Injuries lah.
injuries.
Injuries to the victims. Yeah, I know. Because, for example, nowadays in schools, there's a lot of cases bully reported. Some student been hit, some student been slapped or whatever, been kicked. That's bring a very not a good situation, and not a good style of friend with people. It's not type of bully. Sometimes bully, he want to become a
Hero.
sometimes, but
And to show to someone too weak, and how strong to someone to the
how strong he is, right?
yeah.
But that's not a good, exactly, because if you hit people, it will bring bruises on the face or whatever. Sometimes you don't realize the victim's feelings if you bully him or her. That's why, from the lyrics, if you have some body shaming, for example, because of bullying, please report to teachers. or report. Don't shy to report to your parents or share your stories, because every problem have a solution. The effect of bullying also is bad, because bullying can causes loneliness, depression, and anxiety. um, Bullying also causes a greater social difficulties, because if someone is get bullied, he very shy to associate, to socialize with people, and the victims also always scared to face their daily life and routine, because of the bully is everywhere, and he very scared to face their friends.
And my point, partner, my point, this can someone bully can be fake. The first point I want to tell you all, the scared go to the school. Example, because bully size small, cannot to fight, take the weak, not have the friend to share with
The problem of bullying,
problem.
the bullying also is the worst cases, because bullying can affect that person mental, psychological, for example, because if they have affected, they might affected with this type of bully, they feel very very depressed and stressed to live. Sometimes bullying can cause commit suicide to the victims. And for you also, maybe you have your friends who get bullying by other people. So what's your view sometimes if it happened to you?
To happen to you and not have the focus to study
Yes.
at school and home, just thinking tomorrow
It's a bad day, because
Bad
he
day.
will faces the people who bully him, and he will very sad and depressed also, right?
yeah, and not have communication with the family about the problem, not share with the friend, not have the feel how to other come to school and happy and study, but the bully come to school and get the big kick and just take
Yeah,
one
because
quickly back home and just stay home, not go anywhere.
you mean that the person that have been bullied is feel like that. He feels like that.
Yeah.
He or she feel like that, because bullies, there are many factors. Like I say, verbal body shaming. You mocking people. You condemn people. You sarcastic and you mock to someone, like you said before.
Yeah.
Then the physical bully is like what we fight,
Fight.
then hit, it in faces or whatever, as you see in the video that virals. You see how the real bully video is very sad. We very sad to see. It happens to our societies also nowadays.
Then bully fat then the bully can affect the academic downgrade and fail exam because when have the problem, not have the calm the stool, not have focus and just take the not go anywhere because can get the
Bad result on the exam, right?
yes. And my partner, you have a point to
Elaborate this. Okay, about this bully also, if it for example, we need to overcome these cases. For example, our government or our society, our country should enforce a law also. For example, prevention, we need to do some campaign of bullying. Campaign is we need to do a special kind of things or games, or give some motivator to student in the school, so they will realize that the badness of bullying is very bad, and because it affects people's life mentally and physically. And for
when you practice the bully at the school, you not have the friend and just alone and not share the
the problem, I know, because the victim of the bully, like you said,
Yeah.
victim of the bully, we face a very bad situation where he don't want to live in this world anymore.
And
And for prevention also, uh, our government need to enforce law to someone who bully, going for some community service or others to make them realize their mistake and fault, or maybe going for army training. Then they will feel it
and practice.
how to of how to make them better in the discipline. So how you can conclude this video about bully?
In my conclusion, all country or school must action to case bully, because we not one have case bully in the country. Then parent must always ask them how in the
How the
school.
school daily life, like daily routine.
Yes.
They need to aware about their children. Sometimes they need to ask his or her friends how he is in school. So in our conclusion also, bullying is not a good activities, and we need to prevent it. And our society, our government need to think or enforce a good law for the bullies. That's from us.
Thank you.